Okay, everybody. So we are going to explain. So, okay, so we almost got a bunch whooped because we made too much noise and we got in trouble. So, don't do that. Learn a lesson. I'll beat you up. So, we just got complained by the same people.
Neil, do a video.
And we need your help to help us. So, if you have any comments, complaints, text me on the screen right.
And me, I'm his agent. I'm just kidding.
So, just screw her
I'm a student.
and bye-bye.
Excuse him.
Oh, and before you leave, think of something. Think of something. Think of a time that you've ever been complained at.
Yeah, like right now. I'm complaining.